Hi, my name is Jacob Watts. You funded me to do research in the Indian Peaks Wilderness on lichens, and we're standing just outside the Indian Peaks Wilderness right now in a beautiful riparian habitat. We have a dog with us, just enjoying the views. And if you don't know what lichens are a symbiotic relationship between fungus and algae. So the fungus gives the algae a place to live, and in return the algae photosynthesize and give the fungus some sugar. So you can think about it as like a reverse plant, where plants have mycorrhizae in their roots and photosynthesize for that. It's kind of the opposite, where the fungus is on the outside and the photosynthetic organism is on the inside. And lichens are really diverse in Colorado. They're known as extremophiles, generally speaking, so they really like extreme habitats. And Colorado provides so many different extreme habitats. It's dry in many areas, and it can be wet like this, and so wet that they actually grow in the river on the rocks, completely submerged year-round. It also provides alpine habitats, which are extremely cold for most of the year. And so, yeah, what have I done this year for research? I've established some plots in the Indian Peaks Wilderness and collected all the lichens that I found in this 25 meter by 25 meter square plot in a standardized way, so that we can try and understand where lichens are diverse and where lichens are not so diverse. And so the way that we do that is by measuring environmental variables. So I put out these microclimate sensors that measure relative humidity and temperature year-round, and we can compare that across plots and then use that data as basically a predictor variable to try and understand or predict the lichen diversity in that plot. Me, along with my lab mate Seth Rayner, who you also funded, and my advisor Aaron, have worked really hard over the last 2 years, and we've identified somewhere around 500 species in Boulder County. Seth is publishing a flora of Indian Peaks Wilderness, and in that flora and the surrounding area he has 491 lichen species. So they're really, really diverse and really, really cool. And I'm just appreciative and excited to keep working on the data using the funding that you gave me.